The Veterans Memorial Bridge is a drawbridge connecting Somerset and Fall River, Massachusetts. The bridge carries US Route 6 and Route 138 over the Taunton River, with connecting ramps to Route 79, and includes a bike path on its north side. The $290 million bridge was dedicated to area veterans on September 11, 2011. The bike path was also dedicated in a separate ceremony that same day in honor of Private Michael Lee Bouthon, who was killed in action in Iraq in 2006. Before being named, this bridge was known as the replacement Brightman Street Bridge. The name Miguel Corderreal Bridge was also suggested for use on the new bridge. Planning for this bridge started no later than 1998, but was delayed due to its funding being siphoned off by the Big Dig project. Construction finally began in May 2007.